60 PCS trim removal tool, car panel door audio removal tool kit, auto clip pliers fastener remover pry tool set with storage bag. 41 PCS trim removal tools kits works great for car audio radio system installing or removing, door panel, moldings, emblems, window trims or automotive interior repairing and furniture restoration. High quality made of toughened nylon fiber has the strength to pry up panels and pop open panel retaining pins. Lossless car modification. Ergonomic design, easy to hold in hand, fits hard to reach spaces and crevices. Save time, frustration and money. Easy for storage, come with portable zipper store pouch to store all of your tools after use. You won't worry about to lose them. Package include 11 trim removal tools, 2 PCS clip release tools, 1 PC clip removal pliers, 1 pack adhesive cable clips, 20 PCS 11 PCS car terminal removal tools, 8 PCS stainless steel stereo removal tools, 4 PCS oil seal removal hooks, 2 PCS removal crowbar, 1 PCS foil scraper tool and a portable storage bag. Click the link in the description to get this product.